Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? Hey, quick little video for you. I thought I'd share this information with you guys. I'm enjoying my lovely little espresso coffee, and I cannot drink espresso without sugar normally. But look what I've got here. Xylitol. Pronounced xylitol. I've got it in a plastic bag because I've got some bugs, in the cupboard, so I'm protecting it. This is particularly Lotus brand. It doesn't really matter which brand, just make sure that it's 100% xylitol. So this sugar substitute, and it looks like sugar. It tastes almost like sugar. So that's what it actually looks like. Whoops. We've got to be careful because it was expensive. You see that? It looks like sugar. Right? Tastes like sugar. Little bit of an aftertaste, but nothing like these other artificial sweeteners. So why would I spend the $20 that it was, quite expensive, on half a kilogram of this stuff and put it in my coffee rather than just having sugar, which is a lot cheaper? The bottom line is, because it is so low GI, right? Low on the glycemic index, somewhere between 7 and 30, that it doesn't affect your blood sugar. And so I've been advised by the endocrinologist to have a low carbohydrate, low GI diet. And I noticed that whenever I had coffee with sugar, it would stimulate the insulin response and I would just crash. I'd go into low blood sugars, which is called reactive hypoglycemia. The human body makes xylitol a little bit, right? The best one seems to come from birch trees. You know, the Russians have birch trees, for example. You can't have a lot of it because you'll get pains in the stomach because you can't digest it. It's really good for your teeth though. So it prevents cavities. So there are chewing gums out there that contain xylitol. Someone told me that possibly Mentos has xylitol in it, but once again, if you have too many, you'll get the runs, you'll get diarrhea, you'll have pains in the stomach, and it's a bit of a nightmare. So you, like anything, have it in moderation. So that's what I'm having in my coffee. So far, so good. I've even baked with it. I've made Italian amaretti or pasta di mandorla biscuits with it, and I did put a fair bit in there, and I did want a lot of the biscuits because they are low GI, etc. And I had a little too many of them as a pain in the stomach. So you've got to be careful how many biscuits you have if you're going to put that stuff in there. But I'll tell you what, it was quite tasty. As I said, it's very, very, very similar to sugar, just a slight aftertaste. You should let your body get used to it and don't just have a whole bunch in one go. But there you go. I thought I would share that with you while I'm enjoying my coffee, and I'm sure you'll find it on Amazon and things like that. I don't need to exactly tell you where I bought it, but I did buy this from a chemist, a pharmacy, and there is it online as well. Probably places like eBay and Amazon would have it. I'm not going to talk about any specific brand. Try it for yourself. Hope that helps, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach your cell out. God bless. Ciao.